Okay, let's see how we can edit the product. Say, for example, I want to change my dog boomerang product. I go to Edit button over here. There I can get a whole page of settings which I can change. And the product name, my product description, which can be a sales description, a little bit more. Teach your dog to fetch a boomerang. Whatever. I can select create it in a zip file or not. Be aware, if you have very large files, you can run into problems. So always make a test purchase before you actually allow this to go live. This is your email address, which uses for communication to the customer. You can actually change some of the text. This is the download files, the product setup. This is the preparing product. So actually when the customer actually has purchased something, they first get an email where it says their product is being processed. It's entering into the queue and it will be delivered a few hours later or an hour later. You can also change the product ready email. That is the email that contains the download link and the password to open it. It's also included a default email. The refund email and the reminder email are not changeable, but you can see how they look like. So let's return to the product. Okay, over here you actually see it's an active product. I can click here to make it deactive, so it's not being delivered. So now it's white again. So I'll go back to the products. Okay, I got a warning over here that's currently deactivated, disabled. And in order to use it, I must activate it. I can change the sales page. I can change the subdirectory. We add the emails, the site abbreviation, check more advanced settings. Let's click on that one. There's the ClickBank secret key. This is a free download key. It's generated. You can change it. It's used for if you're using it for a free download, then it must be a unique key inside here. The delete timeout, after you send a processed email or after the system sends it, how long do you want to keep the unique customized product on the server? It depends how fast your customers will download it. It's general 5 to 10 days, which is suitable. And the max downloads is how many times a personalized file can be downloaded. Sometimes people have trouble downloading and it's still counting. So I wouldn't recommend sending it too low. Take 5 or 7 or something. Then we have 2 notifies. A notify on the process and notify on the sales. This is actually the system keeping you in check of what's going on. If you check this box, you will get way more emails on what's going on and how your product is evolving in sales, etc., and in delivery. You also get copies of the emails which are sent to customers. So it's really to keep you in check on what's going on. Notify in sales, you get an email when the sale is made and the product is being delivered. Recommended, keep the notify on process off and the notifies on sales on. Otherwise you get a lot of mail. Okay, let's scroll down. The PayPal settings, your PayPal email. If you use PayPal, you must set your PayPal email. So it's sales@globalpo.com. And we have here our price settings. Okay. It's going to verify some settings. See, it's still deactivated. I need to activate it before. Okay, let's activate it. Okay, and I'm ready to go.